Looking to upgrade your home security with convenience and style? The top 5 best smart door lock with handle in this year combines advanced technology and modern design, making it easier than ever to secure your home while enjoying seamless keyless entry and peace of mind. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Yamiry Smart Door Lock with Handle. The Yamiry Smart Door Lock with Handle is an excellent choice for homeowners who want both convenience and security in one sleek package. This lock stands out with its 6-in-1 unlocking versatility, giving users the freedom to choose how they want to access their home. Whether through fingerprint recognition, Bluetooth-enabled app control, personalized passcodes, key fobs, traditional mechanical keys, or even Alexa voice commands, Yamiry ensures that you never feel restricted to a single method. Remote access can also be enabled with a separately sold Wi-Fi gateway, which adds flexibility for frequent travelers or Airbnb hosts. Installation is designed to be hassle-free, taking as little as 10 minutes for most American wooden front doors. With only a screwdriver, users can replace their existing handle, knob, or deadbolt without additional drilling. The reversible handle further enhances practicality, ensuring compatibility with both left and right-handed doors. Once installed, the lock integrates seamlessly with the mobile app, offering powerful access management tools. You can grant permanent or temporary codes, generate one-time passcodes, and monitor unlock history right from your smartphone. This lock is especially attractive for landlords, Airbnb hosts, and property managers, as it allows the management of multiple locks across different properties through one simple app. This makes it both cost-effective and easy to keep track of tenant or guest access. Number 2. Kwikset Smart Door Lock with Handle. The Kwikset Smart Door Lock with Handle is a reliable and practical choice for those who prioritize security, durability, and straightforward functionality. Designed to make everyday life easier, this smart lock offers keypad-based keyless entry, allowing you to lock and unlock your door without fumbling for keys. Its user-friendly keypad provides the option to customize up to 30 user codes, along with a one-time code and a programming code that lets you add or delete access as needed. This makes it especially useful for families, guests, or small offices where different people require secure access at different times. One of its most attractive features is the battery life. Running on a single 9V battery, the lock is designed to last at least 3 years before a replacement is needed, minimizing maintenance. Built for high-traffic areas, it has been tested through 500,000 lock cycles, ensuring long-term durability and consistent performance. Additionally, the lock comes with 3 operational modes: auto lock, passage, and a disabled mode to suit various needs, such as public restrooms or high-use areas. Security is another area where Kwikset excels. The lock has received BHMA Grade 2 certification, which makes it up to 2.5 times stronger than standard Grade 3 residential locks. For added protection, the system includes an intrusion alert feature. After 3 consecutive incorrect code attempts, the lock sounds an alarm and disables the keypad for 1 minute, reducing the risk of tampering. Number 3. Nice DIGI Smart Door Lock with Handle. The Nice DIGI Smart Door Lock with Handle is a budget-friendly yet highly functional option for those seeking keyless entry convenience without compromising on quality. Designed with practicality in mind, this lock offers flexible access through up to 20 unique passwords for family, friends, or guests. In addition to customizable passcodes, users also have the option to unlock the door with a traditional key, providing a reliable backup in case of emergencies. This combination ensures that the lock can adapt to different lifestyles and security preferences. Installation is quick and straightforward, taking just 5 minutes for most American wooden front doors. With only a screwdriver, you can easily replace an existing handle, knob, or deadbolt without any extra drilling. The reversible handle is another thoughtful addition, making it suitable for both left and right-handed doors. Once installed, the upgraded backlit keypad enhances usability, especially at night or in low-light conditions. It also includes thoughtful features such as vacation mode, silent mode, and a low battery alert, ensuring smooth day-to-day use. The lock is powered by 4 AA batteries, which last up to a year before replacement. Users can also enable smart locking features such as auto lock, which secures the door after 5 to 99 seconds depending on the chosen setting. Additionally, a one-touch locking function allows quick and easy security by simply pressing any keypad number for 2 seconds. Number 4. Philips Smart Door Lock with Handle. The Philips Smart Door Lock with handle brings a premium touch to modern home security, combining advanced features with sleek design. This lock is more than just a door accessory. It is a complete keyless entry system that offers 5 versatile unlocking options, including the app, fingerprint recognition, PIN codes, physical keys, and voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This flexibility makes it one of the most adaptable locks on the market, ensuring every household member or guest can access the home conveniently. The standout feature is its biometric fingerprint recognition, which unlocks the door in just 0.3 seconds with near-perfect accuracy. This ensures quick and seamless access while maintaining a high level of security. For those who prefer PIN codes, the lock supports unlimited one-time codes and up to 100 user codes, making it ideal for managing guest access, deliveries, or household staff. The app integration further enhances control, allowing homeowners to manage permissions, monitor door status, and receive real-time notifications from anywhere. Beyond functionality, the Philips Smart Door Lock also focuses on security. The auto-locking feature secures the door within 30 to 180 seconds, depending on the user's preference, ensuring that you never forget to lock up. This lock also provides an elegant design, pairing perfectly with the included handles for a unified look. Number 5. ULTRALOQ Smart Door Lock with Handle. The ULTRALOQ Smart Door Lock with Handle is one of the most advanced and feature-rich options available, combining cutting-edge technology with uncompromising security. Designed for modern households, this lock offers 8-in-1 keyless entry, including AI-powered fingerprint recognition, anti-peep keypad, smartphone app control, auto-unlock/auto-lock, web portal management, EKI sharing, voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, and 2 mechanical keys as a backup. With this wide range of entry methods, it ensures maximum flexibility for families, Airbnb hosts, or offices. One of the standout features is its built-in Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for an additional hub or gateway. Through the UHome app, users can lock, unlock, share access, and even view activity logs remotely. This makes it especially useful for monitoring guest or employee activity. The smart sensor also provides real-time updates on door status, sending alerts if the door is left unlocked or open. For those who prioritize automation, the lock auto-locks when the door closes and unlocks as you approach with your smartphone. Durability and security are equally impressive. The ULTRALOQ Smart Door Lock is ANSI Grade 1 certified, which is the highest level of residential lock security. It is 35 times stronger than standard locks and offers a lifespan 7 times longer. Built to withstand outdoor conditions, it is IP65, rated for dust and weather resistance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.